Oh! Welcome back, guys, to Fortek 9. So in this video, we're going to go ahead and check out this beautiful looking truck. We're going to talk about it, and then we're going to go ahead and batch it, see if we can get some pretty good air on it. So the first thing you'll notice, this looks a lot like a mini Outcast. That's why the body looks so good. So this is actually Hoshiplay, the N517A model. So this thing is 1/12 scale, brushless, runs on 3S batteries, and it's four-wheel drive. So in the box you get some tools, charger, 2 batteries, one in the box, one inside the car, and you get manuals and stickers. So it comes with this Fly Sky radio, which is pretty good. Then you got all your settings inside here. Here's a quick look inside. So you got your wires for your lights. You get lights in the front and back. So there's your brushless motor. And then you get a waterproof speed control. Oil-filled shocks. And then you get a spoiler and wheelie bar inside the box, which you gotta put it on yourself. So on the box, it does say this thing could hit up to 70 kilometers an hour, which for us Americans, that's about 43 miles an hour. There we go, first run. Yeah, this is a pretty fun little, fast little guy. Oh, I didn't even notice it. It's supposed to be a carbon fiber chassis. I don't know if it's real, but it looks cool. So far, this thing is pretty cool. It is a pretty fun truck. I like the body. The body looks really good on it. Oh, little wheelie. It's a little wheelie action. I don't know if we could do a backflip. Oh yeah, almost double. Shoot, let's see if we can land it. For like a small back air basher, this thing is pretty fun. Ooh, that was a good one. Let's do a front flip. Ah, almost. Oh, that was smooth. So far, this thing's pretty good. We didn't bash it too hard yet. Nothing really broke, but it is fun. It is a little touchy in the air. You do have to kind of get used to the air control on this thing, but so far it's cool. Wow, this is probably the smallest skate park I've been to. I mean, we got one jump right here, which will do, but I was hoping that thing would have been over there. That way I could have just fly instead of flying onto the road. Oh dang, I wasn't really expecting that. Could actually control it pretty good. I really want to hit this jump, but I don't want to overdo it and land on the road. Nice, except we didn't land it. was a nice one. Oh, hit the tree. Let's see if we could do a couple more sends. Oh. Oh, let's see if we could climb this thing. Oh yeah, we got it. That's a quick review of the Hoshiplay N517A. Thanks for watching. Subscribe down below. I'll see you guys next time.